In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively open and use ChatGPT for your coding projects. The process is straightforward and ideal for those looking to enhance their programming tasks with AI assistance. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once there, you'll need to log in with your OpenAI account to gain access. After successfully logging in, you're ready to start a new project. It's crucial to keep your work organized, especially for coding, so click on the New Chat button. This action will help you maintain a clear workspace for your specific project and allows you to manage multiple inquiries separately. Now, to effectively leverage ChatGPT for coding, specify the programming language you'll be working with. For instance, you might want to write a Python script to count the occurrences of the word apple in a text file. Clearly stating the programming language sets the stage for more accurate and relevant assistance. Next, it's important to communicate your requirements clearly. This includes specifying the input format, whether it's a file, API, or user input. Additionally, clarify what you expect as an output, a simple number, a list, or formatted text. By detailing these aspects, you provide ChatGPT with the context needed to deliver a solution tailored to your needs. Don't forget to mention any limitations you have, such as the need for the script to run in the browser console or the restriction to use only standard libraries. If you're interested in fully comprehending the process, you can ask ChatGPT for a step-by-step code explanation. This option allows you to understand what each line does, reinforcing your learning and helping you gain deeper insights into the coding process. Once ChatGPT provides you with the desired script, it's time to run the code in your environment. Copy the code and paste it into your preferred code editor or an online compiler. Execute it to see if it functions as expected. In case you encounter errors, don't worry. You can easily debug with ChatGPT by copying and pasting both the code you're working on and the error message received. By providing this information, ChatGPT can assist you in pinpointing the problem and offer solutions to resolve it. After debugging, you may want to refine the code further. Ask ChatGPT to optimize or improve its efficiency, and even request comments for each function. This step helps in understanding the code better and enhances its performance. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to managing your coding endeavors with ChatGPT. Remember to stay organized, be clear in your requirements, and utilize the full support ChatGPT offers. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!